Welcome to my channel English Speaking Practice.
Namaste everyone. Welcome to Victorious Voice with Prajita, where you learn quickly and easily. Today I am going to share about my home. English speaking is easy, but you need to practice every day without hesitations or stop. First of all, everything is perfect through practice and consistency. Practice and consistency are powerful tools to achieve everything, just like English is same way. This channel has lots of information about simple beginner English. You can learn language from real life experience. My home is the favorite place for me. It is beautiful place in the world. The place where I lived with my family. My home is small but my family has four members: father, mother, brother, and me. My father and mother work in agriculture. We have one shop. My brother and I are students. There are several rooms in my house. The first floor has three rooms, one kitchen, as well as one bathroom. The second floor has three rooms and one living room. The living room is where we sit together, watch televisions, and talk with each other. My room is my favorite part of the house. We have four cows. The cows are domestic animals. We have a garden in front of our house. The garden is ethereal in the morning. I like to exercise in my garden. House is not only place, it is a feeling of happiness and comfort zone. In short, my house is my favorite place in the world. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Subscribe and like this channel.